most of my outfits consist of crop tops. I'm just a crop top kind of girl. Everything's crop top. I'm a little winter weighty right now. If that bothers you, fuck off. Here's the fit, here's the fit. Yeah, nobody punched me in the eye. It's just my concealer is fucking deteriorating and my actual under eye baggage is coming through. So, alright. So, I got this joint from Five Below and it's the cutest fucking thing ever. So, alright, let's go. So today I'm doing a Valentine's Day lookbook. So basically this is just obviously stuff you can wear for like dates on Valentine's Day, you know, if y'all are just going on like your first date or it's the first few dates type shit, or if y'all been in a relationship for a while, you're going to a bougie restaurant, you're going to McDonald's. It really don't matter how you spend Valentine's Day. I got you. And nothing's expensive because I'm broke. So everything's probably from, I think, Forever 21, Target, and the thrift store sponsoring this video right now in the back. This is the outfit that I'm gonna wear. I don't really know how to angle this. I don't really have a corner of my room. My room's kind of a weird shape, so I don't really have anywhere to do this at. So we're gonna push through it. All right. So this is white tube top with long sleeves, paired with the comfiest pants that I own. I would say that's more like, it's casual, but if you're going to a nicer place, it would work, in my opinion. If you're going to a very fancy place, I don't know about that, but I'm not going anywhere super fancy. There's my chair of clothes. Pants are these like, they come to about ankle height, and they're, I don't know how to explain the shape of them. Like they fit it up here and they kind of loose down here. The next outfit is this gray, okay, let me just show it to you by itself. But it's this like gray top in the same exact style as the last. It's not super my style, but it's still cute. So let me just, ooh, we got a little, I'd wear that if I was going on, like, this is our first couple dates. I'm not trying to do too much. You're not getting nothing tonight. Don't even think about it. But I'm gonna look cute. It's more like girls that don't love to show skin. This, on the other hand, it's for our bougie, classy folks. I don't know where I would go. Like a really nice place in DC, or we're going to Georgetown to be bougie as fuck. I would stunt in this fur coat. Cha-ching, cha-ching, bling, bling, bling. You know what I'm saying? If you know where that's from, do you know who I am? Do you know who I am? So this fit is super casual, super casual. So this is like, it don't even matter how long I've been dating. Y'all just really not trying to do nothing fancy. You're not trying to spend bread. Like, y'all are just chilling on Valentine's Day. Y'all are just trying to chill, have a nice night, love each other. This is super casual. Maybe y'all are going to McDonald's and we not gonna judge you. Look. It's like a ribbed white turtleneck. I'm wearing with some bands, some slip-on bands. You want to be cute, but you don't want to do too much. This is for you. Just not wearing any bands. So it's basically like this bralette. It's this red bralette. It's a little something. I'm not gonna show too much. I have a man. This is for y'all couples that are not going nowhere, or this is the after party outfit. You know what I mean? That was the last outfit-esque thing. So I'm gonna just this is where the video ends. I finally got through that. This is the first of 3 Valentine's Day videos that I will be filming. So this is the first one, the Valentine's Day lookbook, looky booky. Yeah, it's gonna be that one. The next video is gonna be the Valentine's Day makeup tutorial with I think 2 or 3 looks. We'll see what I can do. And then the last one is just gonna be me on Valentine's Day. Get ready with me, a little bit of vlogging, a little bit of something, you know the drill, you know the deal. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Feel free to subscribe. You know, I mean, I'm here and you here, so why not? You know, why not? I'm so ready to just lay in my fucking bed because I went to sleep at 8 o'clock this morning. Bye.